Today I'm on the Gulf Coast of Florida and it's officially time for the van tour. My name is Laura and I converted this Ford Transit van into an off-grid camper so that I can travel to all the national parks in the US. Today is the official van tour, but you want to click subscribe to come along with me on the road. Today I'm on the Gulf Coast of Florida, so we're going to start by opening the back doors. Kicking things off with the details, this is a 2020 Ford Transit van. I've converted the back of this cargo van in 2 months. If you want to check that out, I made a full van build series. Here is what it looks like. I have a full-size bed, a standard kitchen sink with a foot pump for water. I made my countertop to go on these traditional cabinets. Underneath the sink, I have 5 gallons of fresh water and a gray water tank that will drain when I'm in a place that it's safe to do so. The drawers have all of my kitchen supplies. I have normal plates, so I put a shelf liner between each one so that they don't break while I'm driving. There's RV locks on the doors so that they stay closed while driving. I also have a propane camp stove and a water filter just in case the place I get water isn't overly safe. Under the bed, I have a room for a clothes hamper, along with the switch for the light and 2 outlets. The closet has some clothes, food, toiletries, and extra shoe storage. One of my favorite features that I chose to add in the van is this fold-up countertop. I need this space to be able to go in and out of the van, but I found folding shelf brackets that allow me to extend the countertop another 2 feet. One of the best parts is that they fold down just as easy. Right as you come in, there's shoe storage, so you can sit here and put on or take off your shoes. To get into this storage, we just have to pick up all of these pillows. Right now I don't have very many things here, but this will be a great place for clothes in the future. And then to get the toilet out, just have to slide it out this way. I added blackout curtains to keep light out in the morning and to keep people from being able to look in. This is just a shower curtain rod. I added Velcro to the edges to help keep it snug against the wall. The ceiling is complete with 4 LED lights and a max air fan, which both pushes air in and out. I think that's all of the features on the inside of the van. Now let's take a look in the garage. One of the last things I added was this fresh water access. I wanted to be able to add water to my blue tank without having to carry it out. I can put the hose in here, the hole goes all the way to the blue tank, and I put this one so that I can kind of use it as a sight to weave the hose through. That's it for the inside of the van. Now let me show you the garage. I'm interrupting this van tour to talk to you about my new Patreon page. Patreon's a website where people like me can create more content for those of you who want it. It works on a subscription and I have it set up for anyone to pay between $2 and $12 per month to get behind the scenes access to my adventures, how I plan for trips, and a monthly update on what I've been up to. I'm really excited to have the Patreon page because even though my afternoons look like this, my mornings look like this. And to be honest, over the past 2 days, I've spent over $100 in gas. So if you're interested in behind the scenes access and supporting me on this trip, make sure you check the link at the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Back to the tour. Now this space definitely has some organizing in store, but I have 2 feet of storage under the bed. I have all of my extra clothes, which are 100% overpacked, my Jackery, which supplies all of my off-grid power, my water supply hose, and anything else that I need, along with everything that I need for the van. I also have all of my camping equipment down here, so if I'm somewhere and I want to camp out for the night, I have my pack, my tent, and my full sleep system. If you're interested in learning more about the Jackery, I've talked about that in a few other videos. I'll put the link in the description. I really wanted my design of the van to be super efficient, so I didn't have to use as much water or electricity. I do have a 100-watt solar panel for the Jackery. It's portable, so I can use it anywhere that I'm at. That means that I can live off-grid in this van for as long as the amount of water and food as I can haul out. Hopefully you've enjoyed this tour. I really tried to have a clean design with the van. If you have any questions about living in the van and how I do things, leave them in the comments. I'm excited to answer them, and if there's enough, I'll do a Q&A video later on. For now, I need to put some sunscreen on and head to the beach.